Good evening, Omaha.
Okay. I've worked with adults that were learning to read, and even those that were learning to read, that were getting their proficiency up high enough, they were at a significant disadvantage because they had never even touched a computer before. And so they were trying to learn how to use a mouse and hoping that they could get a job eventually, even if their reading skills were brought up to par. They had absolutely no technological skills. So I think it's definitely the role of formal schools to give children and students those skills and to provide them with as much access to technology as possible. But as far as our role as SLPs, our role is only to help them with whatever communication impairments they have that may interfere with their learning that technology. So if a student or a client has a language delay, our role is to help them with that delay so that they're able to comprehend the instruction that they're receiving in technology and able to apply.
Okay. This is going back to your question about the 4-year-old with severe language delay. If our goal would be to teach technology, and I think with any child, we determine what we work on by what is going to help the child the most. And obviously a 4-year-old is not going out looking for a job, so they don't really need to be on top of all the technology. So of course we're going to work on their language skills first. And obviously technology is going to play into their development as they grow into that. It's not the primary concern at that time.
Okay, I just wanted to bring to the discussion incorporating teaching the developmental sequence of language skills and technology, that we have to keep in mind that there are children out there who will need to use some form of technology as their mode of communication, and that we need to take that into consideration, because then we're really pulling the two together and saying, okay, well, this piece of technology is this person's voice and is their secondary language processor, them being number one.